Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see the rotation 90 degree anti-clockwise through the origin when our shape is divided into two quadrants for year 9 and 10 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Rotation. Draw the image of the given shape under the rotation described. Center of rotation 0, 0. Angle of rotation 90 degree anti-clockwise. Let's see our figure first. This is my figure which is distributed into two quadrants basically, second quadrant and third quadrant. I need to rotate this picture 90 degree anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means when I rotate this picture, all these 3 points A, B and D, they will move and they will come to the third quadrant, and this point C will go in the fourth quadrant. So I have to be careful with the signs first. I need to write down the coordinates while considering 0, 0 as the origin. Let's write down the coordinates of A, B, C and D. The coordinate of A is -6, 6. The coordinate of B is -10, 4. The coordinate of C is -6, -5. The coordinate of D is -2, 4. I need to rotate this shape 90 degree anti-clockwise. So the rule for rotating the shape 90 degree is you have to flip the coordinates first. Let's write down A as -6, 6, B as -10, 4, C as -6, -5, D as -2, 4. I will write down A dash as 6, -6, B dash as 4, -10. I will write down C dash as -5, -6, D dash as 4, -2. For the coordinates A, B and D, when I go to the third quadrant, my X and Y both are negative. Here A, B and D, Y coordinates are negative. I have to make X coordinate negative. Let's make the X coordinates also negative for A, B and D. I need to look for C. C goes from third quadrant to the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, X is positive, Y is negative. In the C, we have X is negative, Y is also negative. I have to make X positive. Let's convert this -5 into +5, and now we are ready to plot our points. Let's plot all the points here. -6, -6. So -6, -6, the point is here. -4, -10. -4, -10, the point is here. 5, -6. 5, -6, the point is here. -4, -2. -4, -2, the point is here. I need to join that. Let's join all the points here. This is my A dash, my B dash, this is my D dash, and this will be my C dash. This is how you can rotate your picture 90 degree anti-clockwise when the shape is in the two quadrants. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.